Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto. Okay, so yesterday we started off the practice phase of the 2k to 1 million challenge, and it got off to a reasonable start. The first trade I did was starting off with $84, and I closed this trade here at 6.51% in profit. It was looking great actually, and so that one closed, and then I kind of re-entered. I kind of made a mistake because everything was looking fine towards the end of yesterday afternoon, and then I had to go off into town and do a few things, pick up my daughter and stuff like that, and I didn't really pay much attention to the price. Now what I didn't see was the Stonksy indicator. That's this green and red background. I didn't see Stonksy turn red at around 5 p.m. Now this was all to do with this FUD to do with USDT that I think indeed did turn out to be FUD. So in fact what happened was the price went really quite low to about 65.539k and then shot right back up again. It didn't go back to where it was though, unfortunately. Now what I should have done is I should have set a stop loss before I went out, because I didn't have any way of knowing this background had gone red. Now, there will be alerts built into Stonksy soon, in the next few weeks, I believe. So that would have been really handy, because I could have seen that candle coming and just closed the trade there. Now, I probably would have made a loss if I'd have done that, but sometimes that's okay, because if I'd have made a loss then, I could have re-entered down here and then be riding it back up again now. As it happens, the trade is okay. I was using 15x leverage, which is still a little bit high, to be honest. I really should probably use 5 or less. It puts my liquidation price down at 63,859, and being as we went to 65.5, it is a little bit close, but still, it's okay. It didn't worry me too much anyway. But it's no fun being, minus 20% or whatever it was, minus 30%. That's no fun to see your trades like that. It's better to have just got out and then have the capital ready to deploy when you're going back up. Or if you're confident that it's going to dump, shorting it on the way down. Now, I didn't do that, which means my trade is about $15 down, which is a little bit annoying. And what I'm hoping today is sometimes we get back in profit. And all I'm really looking to do is to get the achieved goal, which is that account being worth $85.44. And you can see at the moment it's only worth 73.62. Now, it's probably too late to set a meaningful stop loss now, unfortunately, because we're still, what are we down? 17% effectively, which is not brilliant. I have got a stop loss down here, but that's just to prevent total disaster. That would leave me something, but not a lot, to be honest. So if I wasn't confident that the price is going to go back up, I would probably close this trade now in a loss and then start again. However, if you look at the Stonksy indicator on the 1 hour time frame, this did go bullish at about 6 or 7 o'clock this morning, which is good news. So far it hasn't done very much, but that's okay. Looking at my moving averages, that's still not looking good on the 1 hour time frame, but I tend to look at this on the 5 minute to get a clue of the more shorter trends and stuff. And what I'm always looking for here is the yellow and the green crossing, and they crossed bullish this morning at like 4:25 in the morning, and the Stonksy on the 5 minute went green at 6 o'clock on that time frame, and now we're up nicely. It's having a little dip at the moment, but the yellow is still above the green, so that's good. But ideally you want to see it like this, where you've got red, cyan, yellow, green. They are EMAs, which are 5, 9, 21 and 55. But for now that's looking okay. It is Saturday though, so Saturday is always a weird day. The other thing to note as well is where the CME closed on Friday night, because normally we see it go back to there very late Sunday night, early Monday, very late Sunday night, or sometimes Monday. And that's actually at 67255. Now 67255 would not get me out of my trade in profit. But what could happen is the price could go above that and then come back there towards the end of the weekend. So I think what I'm going to do is just set a take profit somewhere like here, 68,590. So let's do that. So 68,590. Oh, that's actually 17%. That might be a bit greedy, actually. Let's go for 5% because that's all I need today. But what I might do is if I see something really bullish happen here, like say for example on the 15-minute time frame, I'm starting to see the yellow 21 go above the 55 there. If I see that look more like, say this one here, then I might move that take profit up a little bit. But I will keep you informed. Now, I did see a notification about a comment that someone had left saying, why don't we have a Discord where we can discuss techniques and stuff like that? For some reason, YouTube seems to have got rid of that comment. YouTube does that. Often people think that I'm deleting them, but I'm not. I don't even delete spam anymore because if you delete it, you get more back. So I just leave things now. Discord I'm not going to do because I don't really like Discord. What we've got instead, we've got this Telegram group here where we discuss stuff. It's free to join. To join it, what you need to do is to first of all join the Save with Crypto announcement channel. Okay. Now, only get to that by going to savewithcrypto.org/TG because there are fake ones around. You don't want to join one of those. So what that is, it's a channel that you can't reply in. But I use that to announce things like, when I've gone in and out of trades, or if I'm thinking about something, or if I've done a new video, all that kind of stuff. So do have a look at that. At the top of that, there's a pinned message which tells you how to join the one where you can interact, which is called the Save with Crypto Club. Okay. But only get to those by going to savewithcrypto.org/TG and then looking at the pinned message in the top of that one. There's the extra stage there to keep out bots, to keep out idiots, and to keep out people who can't follow instructions. Okay, so hopefully if you can do all that, I'll see you over there. If you like the sound of that, please do give the video a like as well, and make sure you have the notifications set on all and you're subscribed, all that good stuff. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Do like the video, of course, and above all, tell your friends.